Hello active traders. Today was quite an exciting day on Wall Street with a huge move in the markets. The stock markets sold off nicely the last couple of days, which is why I have been trading, and I'm still trading TVIX, UVXY, VIXY, VXX, SRTY, QID, and the other inverse instruments. They go up like gangbusters when the stock market sells off. We were covering these in my live trading room, especially TVIX today. I issued 4 winning long alerts today for my traders starting at 38.30. That's at tradingtheopen.com. Let's take a look at the charts. But first, I've got to say, all information is for educational use only. I'm not making advice or recommendations about what to buy, sell, or hold, and by watching this, agree to not make actual trades. One thing that my traders are learning about, too, is how to do what I call intraday swing trades. And that is where you start off a trade early in the morning between 9:30 and 10, and then tighten in stops either near lunchtime or into the close near 4 o'clock. But anyway, let's take a look at the festivities in today's markets. First, though, I want to tell you I did 14 freaking trades in TVIX today. Here is a screen cap of my Fidelity real money trading account. 7 times 2 is 14. We got 14 different trades. I'm still long 20 shares overnight, but I'm a real money trader. 14 trades in a single day. This is my favorite instrument to trade during sell-off markets because of the point range from 37 to 44. Okay, so it's been quite the epic run. I mean, there are some charts with bigger point ranges on a 2-day basis, like today's PTI. I really wish I had traded this one, gone from $3.50 a share to 10. But hey, we're going to focus on TVIX. I'm going to likely trade that one if it continues up north of 10 coming up. Anyway, the long alerts for this one that I gave to my live room members this morning before the market opened were to start trading this guy at 38.30, right down here. Now, we can do open range breakout scalps, which is holding for a few minutes on the open, or you could put on the trade and hold into the close, which would have produced a much bigger win. So, food for thought. Intraday swing trading with the inverse instruments like TVIX certainly makes a lot of sense. And I seldom trade all day long. I usually try and get done by 10 o'clock or 10:30 at the latest, but I was real money trading this puppy all the way into the close because of the volatility, right? Nice big updrafts in this instrument. And when you're looking for breakouts and you're looking for patterns that make sense in our current markets, one thing that helps is to put it in context of, say, a 15-day chart so you can see exactly what price action's been doing lately. So we've done a mean reversion breakout, a 50%, in other words, retracement, where it broke out from 24 all the way up to 50. It doubled and it came back down to the middle around 36, and then it reverted upwards. Kind of like a variation of wave theory. You can see it did a wave 1 or breakout range 1, wave 2 retracement, and then the start of a little wave 3. That's a mean reversion pivot play. And that's why I was trading it to the long side both yesterday and today, right? Because after the selling on the 16th, it came back to life. It's alive. When the stock market sells off, watch this. You'll see the exact opposite chart. Down, mean reversion pivot, and then back down again. Well, I like to trade what's going up, so went up, pulled back down, and went up again. So that's about all I got to say. I'll give you a sneak peek at my watch list. I've started, as much as I like to hate on penny stocks and small caps, they've really provided outstanding opportunities lately because our market's going bonkers with all kinds of news plays and all kinds of stuff going on. So see, look at this. That one, this one, schwang. That's my favorite chart today. Actually, there was another one. What was it? I want to say Yandex, I think. That was my favorite chart today. That one went 35 down to 29. I successfully day traded a 50-cent winning bounce here, and we'll see what it does from there. No, it was ECO, right? That was the, yeah, YECO. That was the biggest mover on a 2-day basis, going from 2 to 18, then back down. And I correctly called the long for my traders here, plus the rollover shorts in the live room. Here's proof. You can see we got long at 12.80 and 13.7. That was the first long. That was second long. Adams sell early. It turns out right near 15, I think, was our exit. And when it rolled over, I say go short at 16.7, 15.4, and again 12.40. And it worked out really nicely. So those are the calls for YECO. So anyway, this is just a quick look at the type of charts I like to trade. Your mileage might vary. Consult with a registered investment advisor before you put on a trade. Now this one I did bad in. I bought a little bit. It turns out at the high of day at 1060 for a swing trade. So we'll see where it goes. That's Caesars Entertainment. But I'm still long QID, SRTY. There's another one to keep an eye on, Craig. Other inverses include VXX, VIXY, UVXY. Same chart, right? TVIX. Some others, JMU, CNET, PTI, big movements, and CCCL. But anyway, TVIX is my favorite day trading instrument on balance because it tends to have the biggest point range, especially when the markets are moving. And in this case, markets are moving down, so TVIX is going up. You might want to understand how this and others work exclusively at my live room, running since the year 2000. Been around since the dawn of time, it seems, or at least it feels like it, at www.tradingtheopen.com. I'm Ken Calhoun, president of Trade Mastery, coming at you on another winning day for me, at least. Hope you guys did good. I like to play the market directionally in the inverses when the stock market's dropping. So that's a butt ugly chart in the spiders. We'll see if it continues to get new sellers. I like to watch the tape like this pre and post market to see where things go, either later tonight or early, 6, 7, 8 in the morning or whatnot, to see where transaction flow is in our instruments. Anyway, stay on the right side of the trades, everybody. Hope that y'all do well. And, trade smart, trade small, trade frequently. In and out is the way. I like to thread the eye of the needle. That's why. It's like, Ken, why did you do 14 trades in TVIX? Really? Because I was putting on these itty bitty, 5, 10, 20 shares at a time, trying to build a position over time. Okay, so you build the trade, a bit like planting seeds, a handful of position sizing or scaling in and out, kind of thread the eye of the needle in this kind of instrument because it's got such a nice, spectacular up range that can really do well. At least that's what I like to trade. So take care. Best wishes for success, and I'll see you guys in the live room at TradingTheOpen.com and at my TradeMastery.com site for active traders. Bye for now.